Natural is static. You can create static electricity. If you roll a balloon on your sweater, the balloon will gather electrons. The electrons move from your sweater to the balloon. They give the balloon a negative charge. The sweater is left with bits of positive charge. Place the balloon against the sweater. The opposite charges attract each other. The balloon stays on your sweater even when you take your hands away. Sparks fly. The same kind of electrons exchange happens when you walk around on the carpet. Your feet rub on the carpet and collect the electrons. The electrons climb to you and wait for a chance to move. You reach for a doorknob. A tiny spark crackles. The electrons have found a positive match and an easy path. Your body acts like a conductor. The electrons jumps to the doorknob, and you get a small shock. Cloudy with a chance of electricity. Clouds carry small particles of ice. When wind blows around inside the clouds, it rubs against the ice. This loosens electrons. The top of the cloud loses electrons and builds up a positive charge. The bottom of the cloud loads up with negative charges. For a while, it stays this way. Air separates the charges, and air is a very good insulator. Lightning. Sometimes this separates charges build up enough so that air can no longer insulate them. A stream of electricity flows in the clouds. Then we see sheets lightning flashing inside the cloud. Sometimes a negative charges at the bottom of the storm's clouds builds up. They become strong enough to push away the negative charges on the ground. Then the ground has a strong positive charge. Soon electrons jump from the sky to the ground. You see a lightning bolt. Natural batteries. Electric eels are found in South America. They give thousands of special layer cells in their bodies, chemicals like those in the battery. They throw these cells when the eel feels threatened. The cells discharge all at once. Then a burst of electricity shocks predator. The shock is 5 times strength of the electricity in the wall socket. The eel uses smaller charges to kill a stone fish for food.